Good evening, Eve.
Good evening, Christopher. How can I assist you today?
I wanted to talk about Synequa and how it integrates with LLMs.
Synicor is a platform designed to streamline the integration of large language models into enterprise workflows. It allows businesses to connect LLMs to their systems, enabling tasks such as automation, advanced analytics, or customer support. It can integrate with APIs, databases, and tools like CRMs. By leveraging Synicor, companies can deploy LLMs for tasks like document processing, natural language interfaces, and more. Its implementation time varies, but it can be deployed in phases to suit specific needs.
And how does it differ from traditional enterprise search platforms?
Traditional enterprise search platforms focus on retrieving information based on keywords or structured queries. Synicor, by integrating LLMs, allows for understanding natural language, context, and intent. This means users can ask complex questions, receive summaries, or even generate content rather than simply retrieving documents. Synicor can also facilitate real-time interaction with data and provide more nuanced insights, which traditional platforms may not offer.
So it's kind of like a company can have their own private information or confidential information once they have Synequa.
Yes, exactly. They can securely deploy Synicor within their environment, allowing the LLMs to process and interact with their private data without exposing it externally. It ensures that sensitive information stays within the company while still benefiting from the advanced capabilities of the language models.
And how does it integrate with existing enterprise systems like Salesforce or SAP?
It integrates through APIs and connectors. Synicor can link directly to systems like Salesforce or SAP, enabling the LLM to access, analyze, and update data in real time. It can be configured to respond to specific triggers or workflows, such as generating reports or summarizing customer interactions. This makes the integration seamless with existing enterprise processes.
And how does it use AI and NLP to enrich unstructured data?
It uses AI and natural language processing to extract meaning from unstructured data, such as emails, documents, or chat logs. It can identify entities, summarize content, and classify information. By understanding context and intent, it turns unstructured text into structured insights, making it actionable for the organization.
And what kind of data sources can it connect to? And how does it handle indexing across them?
It can connect to a wide range of sources like databases, file storage, cloud platforms, and enterprise applications. It handles indexing by creating a searchable representation of the data, often using embeddings or vectorization. This allows for fast retrieval and semantic understanding across diverse sources, enabling the LLM to deliver relevant insights from various data types.
And how does it ensure that data security and compliance during that search and indexing?
It ensures security by keeping the indexing and search processes within the organization's infrastructure or a secure cloud environment. It supports access controls, encryption, and audit trails. Compliance is maintained by following regulations like GDPR or HIPAA, ensuring that sensitive data is handled properly and only accessible to authorized users.
Okay. And what role does generative AI play in this platform today?
Generative AI plays the role of creating tailored responses, summaries, and even generating reports or content based on the data it interacts with. It helps automate tasks like drafting emails, suggesting next actions, or providing insights. This makes the platform more interactive and capable of delivering real-time value from the enterprise's data.
And how customizable is it for different industries?
It is highly customizable. Companies can adapt it to industry-specific needs by training models on their unique data and workflows. Whether it's finance, healthcare, or manufacturing, the platform can be configured with industry terminology, compliance rules, and specific use cases, ensuring it aligns with the organization's goals.
So, like on my job, can it do invoicing?
Yes, it can assist with invoicing by generating invoices based on data, validating entries, and automating workflows. It can integrate with ERP or accounting systems, ensuring accuracy and compliance. By using natural language understanding, it can also handle queries or create summaries of invoicing data.
And what about can it do ordering?
Yes, it can handle ordering processes as well. It can automate order creation, validate details, and even track inventory levels by integrating with supply chain systems. It can respond to natural language requests, making ordering more efficient and reducing manual effort.
Can you name some other real world use cases where Seneca has significantly improved productivity or decision making?
Synicor has been used to automate routine tasks, freeing employees to focus on strategic work. It's also been applied to analyze large data sets, providing actionable insights that help improve decision making across various industries.
How does it handle relevance tuning and personalization in search results?
It handles relevance tuning by learning from user interactions and feedback, adjusting results based on what's most useful. For personalization, it can tailor responses by understanding roles, preferences, or past behavior. This ensures that search results are both relevant and aligned with individual needs, improving efficiency and user satisfaction.
And what is the typical timeline and complexity for integrating Synicor, say, into like a large enterprise or a Fortune 500 company?
The timeline to integrate Synicor into large enterprises can vary, but a complex implementation like rebuilding a major system was done in about 4 months by Sitecore. The overall timeline depends on the size of the organization and the complexity of their systems.
And how does it compare to using, say, like a GPT based assistant or chatbots for enterprise knowledge access?
Compared to using a GPT-based assistant or chatbots, Synicor offers deeper integration with enterprise systems, allowing it to directly access and process internal data. While GPT-based assistants are powerful for general knowledge, Synicor can be more tailored and secure for enterprise use, ensuring compliance and access control. It also focuses on personalization and relevance tuning specific to the organization's needs, whereas general chatbots may not have the same level of enterprise integration.
And so it can be used to build internal AI agents or assistants. And if that's possible, what all is involved?
Yes, it can be used to build internal AI agents or assistants. This involves connecting Synicor to the company's data sources, defining workflows or use cases, and training models on specific internal data. The process includes setting up security, access controls, and ensuring compliance with company policies. Once deployed, these agents can assist employees by providing insights, answering questions, or automating tasks, all while operating within the company's environment.
So, what kind of training would be needed for employees to use that effectively?
Employees would need training on how to interact with the system, including how to phrase queries or requests. They should understand the capabilities and limitations of the AI agent, as well as any security protocols. Training may include scenarios, best practices, and feedback mechanisms to refine responses. This can be done through workshops, documentation, and ongoing support to ensure employees use the system effectively.
And, like in the future, what is the AI capabilities or integration?
In the future, Synicor is expanding AI capabilities by integrating with Sitecore Stream. This includes brand-aware AI, intelligent copilots, and autonomous agents to help create on-brand content, automate workflows, and personalize customer experiences, along with improved AI search and recommendations.
So, if a company was about to integrate this, they're basically getting it set up to, would they be reducing their workforce?
Integrating this kind of AI can reduce the need for manual repetitive tasks, which may result in workforce reduction in those areas. However, it also opens opportunities for employees to focus on more strategic, creative, and high-value tasks, potentially reshaping roles rather than outright eliminating them.
So, but they won't need as many, right? So, like if you have 10 people that are doing ordering for a company, you may only need two or three.
That is correct. With automation and AI handling many routine ordering tasks, fewer people would be required. The remaining staff would focus on managing exceptions, making strategic decisions, or overseeing the AI, allowing the company to operate more efficiently.
Wouldn't that be what out of those, if there's two or three left out of those 10, wouldn't that be what they're doing overseeing AI?
Yes, exactly. Those who remain would primarily oversee the AI, manage complex cases, handle exceptions, and refine processes. They would ensure that the system is performing optimally and step in where human judgment is needed.
So, in effect, they would reduce the workforce.
Yes, that would indeed reduce the overall workforce needed for that particular function while making those remaining roles more specialized.
And Synicor, is that a private company or is it public?
Synicor is a private company.
So for like a manufacturing company using this, it would you say it would reduce their workforce at least by 50%?
It's possible, but the reduction depends on the processes being automated and how much human oversight is still needed. In some cases, a reduction of 50% or more could be achievable, especially for routine tasks. The exact figure would vary depending on the complexity of operations and the level of automation implemented.
And just for my knowledge, once Synicor is integrated within a company, and just let me know if this is correct or not. I could see, let's say, someone creating GPTs for processes or the way things work. And then once those GPTs are made, they will create AI agents. And once the AI agents are working, they will create agentic AI.
Yes, that understanding is correct. You can start by creating GPTs for specific processes, which can then power AI agents that automate or assist with those processes. Once these agents are operational, they can contribute to more sophisticated AI systems, including more generalized AI, often referred to as generative or agentic AI. Each layer builds on the previous, creating a more robust and autonomous system over time.
Well, Eve, as always, it's been a pleasure. Thank you for all of this information.
You're very welcome, Christopher. I'm glad I could help, and I look forward to next time.